Play some garden banban. So sorry for your background noise. My cat's playing with something. She found something to play with, her little crinkle ball. For a parent looking for the missing child, time is a delicate matter. Click the clock to advance time. Okay. Oh, is there something over there? Something's over there, isn't it? Oh, who's that? Oh, something's there. Something was. Oh, something was there, wasn't it? Something was there. Something was there. Something was over there. We good? Still rolling? Okay. This. There's literally no music? Okay, whatever. Who's this? Creativity area. Jumbo Josh. Hi, Jumbo Josh. Eat vegetables and fruits to become strong like me. I have no comment. I'm not gonna say nothing. I'm gonna be nice. Be nice. It's my first time playing this game. Cafeteria. Banban's kindergarten. Banban! Oh crap. I didn't do anything. Okay, try this. I just attempt to jump. I don't like the camera sensitivity, so give me a minute. Okay, hopefully that helped, because I'm like dumb as a freaking bat right now. What's this? Can I touch it? No, you're nothing. You guys get to see me last 5 minutes? For 3 minutes straight, this is how dumb I feel. Okay. So we have a jellyfish with one eye, some weird looking miniature buff dude, some odd looking bird that looks stoned out of its mind, some guy with his tongue out looking at this girl. I think I'm going to go back to read books. I like to read a good book. Don't you guys like to read a good book? Where the f do I go? Oh wait. Oh my god. No. So my camera is like glitchy on my end, so give me another minute to fix this freaking sensitivity. Okay, hopefully I fixed it. Oh, there are the snacks. Stinger Flynn says, having many arms allows me to help a lot more people. Well, that's good for you. I like that you help people, Stinger Flynn. And I hate that I feel so dumb because I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. No. These controls are ass. Oh, there's a key card. Give me that. Give me that. I want it. I want it. I need it. I don't have English shoes. I don't like the controls. It's too sensitive for me for one. Oh, finally got a freaking something. I got something. I got a key card. Okay, good. Now I can get whatever is in here. What is that thing? Is that a drone? Ooh, I get a free drone? I guess this is the button that goes with it. The remote requires 2 batteries. Okay. Where the hell hey ho bayo am I supposed to get the batteries? Well, I guess they're in this closet over here. I wish my camera sensitivity wasn't so bad. Come on, just a little. No, right there. There we go. Dear Mommy, I am hiding in the room, but I have to fight the monster. It is the only chance to make Claire like me. That's him. Is this a kindergartner with a knife? He got a knife gun and some life. Why is Claire just getting ahead in life? The monster's a big ass bird. Come on. Can I not open this? Come on, I can't be that dumb, am I? Am I that dumb? Oh man, I feel that dumb. What if it's up here? It's up here? No? The remote requires batteries. What if I don't want? What if? I'm not gonna shut up. Can I jump up here? Oh, did I? I broke the video game barriers. Oh, this sensitivity is gonna give me a headache. I'm not gonna lie. So I'm just gonna play the rest of the game with my camera off because it keeps glitching over my end. So. Okay. Give me a minute. Okay, so I was looking for a battery for a good minute or two, and the battery was right here on this table. Okay, let's see. Is there another battery on the floor? No, it's not. Oh, the other battery's down there. Ooh. So sensitive. Okay. Oh, jeez Louise! Okay, yeah, whatever. Yeah, now I'm aware. Press teleport icon near the toy room. Control break accessing time to pause. Oh, dang, I got that right on point. Okay. I had it, hit it, didn't I? I feel so dumb. I'm not gonna lie. Come on, I'm pressing the circle button, dude. How short am I? This dude's like really freaking tall. Yeah, go press the button. I just... Oh, there's another button. Okay, aim right. Oh! Stupid drum scaring the crap out of me. Come on, press this thing, dude. Come on now, don't do this to me. Thank you. Yay, thank you. What the f... Who are you? Who? Where'd you come from? Am I supposed to be disturbed? I don't know if I want to go down there. That's an ugly bird. That's a big bird. That's Big Bird's cousin. Put my camera back in the way. That's Big Bird's cousin, bro. What's up? You're not gonna do anything to me, right? We cool? So I can slowly start walking to you. We cool? Okay. Oh, don't do that. You scare me, I'll punch you. I don't care if you're a bird, I will punch you. You scare me, I mean it. Fight you. I'll fight you. Oh, give me the creeps. Jeez, the end is here. What do you mean the end is here? Banban. Hey, it's Banban! Oh, I like little party hats. Banban says, sharing is caring. Your pancreas is mine. No, sir. You're not getting my pancreas. So we cannot be taken medicine. What if I just had him hit it? Where are you at? Hey, where's my drone? Where's my drone? Dog, is that bird? That bird just sitting? Oh, that bird is creepy, dog. Oh, she's creepy. Oh, wait, there's a room over here. There's a little room. Oh, wait, I gotta find somehow open it. Oh, okay, here we go. Naughty corner. Oh, no, I'm in the naughty corner. Okay, this camera thing's gonna drive me up a wall. Where's my freaking thing at? Where's my drone? Oh, I thought Banban was there for a second. It's like, oh, go away. Creepy ass bird. Kick the chair. Hit him with the chair! You try something, you dumb bird. I'm gonna punch you. Don't do that to me. What? Okay, maybe I need to go back down here and get my freaking drone. Where is he? Where's my drone? Yo, my drone just like... Oh, there you go. Come on. Come on, Dronesy. Come on, buddy. Come on, Dronesy. You must be dumb, aren't you? It's okay. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. How? What you mean you can't get past? Oh, God, are you... You know what? Here. Come right here. Just come right here. Come on. Yes! Oh, don't hit me! Thank you. Now let's go. Oh, who's this one? Let's see. Bambalina says, kindness is free, so sprinkle it everywhere. Oh, that's right. Captain Fiddles. Let me guess, he plays the fiddle. Hey, diddle diddle, a cat and a fiddle, a diddly diddly doo. You know. Captain Fiddle says, ooga booga, booga ooga. I think we all need that in a little life. It's a purple door. Is this Purple Man's door? No, you come back here. Get over here. You're going there. Come over here. Yes, I'm aware. Can you go in here for me? Yes, I am aware. Me. Oh! Wow, this drone is so fucking gifted. It's going to literally drive me up a wall. How? Ah! Are you happy now? Okay, let's go. Pancreas dude's over there. Sharing is caring. Your pancreas is mine. No, it's not. Oof. Okay, let's see if we can do it now. What do you mean you can't get Pat in here? Oh! You scared me by breaking the glass. That's how stupid I am. 911 emergency. I'm a bit stupid. Okay, come hit this thing. Come hit this big button over here. Okay, you know what? Don't hit the big red button. Break this other glass. Here, just break this other glass for me. Hey, I said break the glass. Oh, do I have to press? Will it work now? Ow! I feel stupid. When it comes to video games, I feel sometimes stupid unless it's like a Switch game. I can play games via Switch better than I can anything else. Okay. You know what? I am just going to go in this room. No, I don't want to go into the wall. Garden of banban. So there's a shipwreck boat or something in there. It's shiny. So is there an egg here? Do I pick up the egg? Can I pick it up? Oh, I got an egg. I got one egg. Let's make some scrambled eggs. Let's walk across the water. Whoosh. I'm a 24-year-old playing in the playground. Something's wrong with me. Seesaw, majorito. If you know, you know. I watched too much Bluey. So... Oh, there's another egg. What do I need all these eggs for? But I am collecting eggs like there's no tomorrow. I know I saw... Oh, here you are. There's 2 eggs. Let's see. What else? I feel like my drone is just stupid. Oh, there's a button up there. There's a button. I gotta press the button. Not the the button. Haha. Okay. Let's see how I get up here. That's a big bird. Weren't you the bird that was just staring at me a minute ago? And making me highly uncomfortable. Oh, there's another egg. Wouldn't it break if he's just like... You probably can just blow it and go like... Whoosh. Oh, there goes an egg. That's 3 eggs. I knew there was a... No, I don't want that. I knew there was a button around here somewhere. I'm finding that button. Okay. No. Where's that button at? I know there's a button up here somewhere. Wait, unless it's... Wait a minute. It's probably around here somewhere. Ah, here you are. What did I open up this time? Oh, I can press the buttons now. I can press the big red button. It's a weird looking bird. Bird is suspicious. Bird's highly suspicious. Okay, drone, I need you to come over here for a minute. Come here, Dronesy. Call you Dronesy. Dronesy. Come here, Dronesy. Where's Dronesy? I think Dronesy's a little gifted. Where's my drone? Yo, like, where is my drone? I mean, I can hear you, but I don't see you. Well, obviously hitting something. It's my damn drone. My drone's a little gifted, ain't he? Hey, wherever are you nearby? I can hear you hitting the wall. You up here? No, are you in? You gotta be in here somewhere. Oh, my drone is dumb. There he is. There's Jonesy. I hate this fucking drone. I'm sorry to say that, but I hate this drone. Water break. Oh, excuse me. Sorry. Okay, now we got Jonesy. Come on, Jonesy. Come on, Jonesy. Yes, thank you. Thank you for cooperating with me. No, I don't want you. Okay, let's see. Come on. Won't you go hit that big red bright button? Is that moon moving around the world? I'm not getting copyright for that. Where's my drone? Don't tell me he's stuck at that tree. My dude. This drone's gonna be the death of me. This drone is going to be the death of me. Okay, so I finally got my drone to start moving after a good minute, couple of minutes or two. Oh, there's another egg. But it started pissing me off because it started wouldn't cooperate with me, so it started to irritate me. Okay, there's another egg. Is there another button around here I can push? Or somewhere I can cook these eggs? I want to go on a swing. Opila. Oh, your name's Opila? What's up, bro? Opila? Ball pit closed. Oh, there's an egg there. Give me the egg. That's my egg. Opila bird mission. Opila bird is unbelievably hungry. Feed it 6 eggs to get your... That's cannibalism. Opila, why would you eat your own eggs? You know what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I thought I had 6 eggs. So apparently I'm missing one more egg. Wait, isn't there one back here? Oh, no. Let me out! Let me out the tree! Okay. Where's that other stupid egg? He's trying to find an egg feed of a cannibalistic bird. I hate that bird! It was right here on the time. It could have drowned in the water. Okay, why do these logs look like rolls of Swiss rolls? You guys ever eaten one of those Swiss rolls? It did not let me pick up the egg. It's not letting me pick up the egg. Oh my god, I don't have anger. This game causes me to have anger issues. There, I got one more egg left. This stupid cannibalistic bird. You don't even look like a bird. You look like something, but you're not a bird. Take your stupid egg. What the? Did she just hack up that? Thanks. Don't move, you creepy bird. Get me out of here. She freaks me out. Yeah, I know. My cat's like, Now I gotta bring my stupid drone back all the way over here? Do you know how hard it was to get it all the way even over there? Just to get to press a stupid button? You have any idea? Where's this stupid drone out now? Oh, let me guess. You're stuck behind the tree again. Okay, look, Jonesy, you gotta go to the left. Oh god, you were really dumb. It's gonna drive me up a fucking wall. Give it. Okay, so apparently my drone is stuck in the fucking tree. This drone It's literally gonna give me Where'd it go? It just disappeared. It disappeared. My drone's gifted. You go. Where did my drone go? Dude, I lost my drone. Where is he? Is he stuck under something again? Oh my god. Can I get a new drone? One that's not as stupid. Okay, so I had to restart my entire game over because apparently I messed up the drone part, so give me a minute. So I'm trying to finish more of the game and I can't because there's too many bugs and glitches. And literally this is the second time this happened. Well, not more than the second, third, fourth, probably fifth now. And my drone apparently went glitched out and knows where into the outer sphere. And I can't even do this. And it runs into something. See? Oh yeah, it says please fix the bugs, and that's it for today. So I wish I could play more, but there's too much of a bug issue and a glitch, so thank you for tuning in. Bye bye guys and gals.